Look at all these red tomatoes growing here in Tomato Row. Y'all looking good. Got a lot of harvesting to do over here. Gotta let y'all get a little bit bigger. Cause y'all supposed to be the large cherry tomatoes. Let me see how much bigger y'all gonna get. Before I harvest you guys. Looks beautiful. All these red ripened tomatoes over here. Look at you. Yes. Look at you. Okay. Okay, I'm out early this morning, getting ready to clean out this bean and cucumber bed, harvest what I can out of here, and gonna replant some more beans. And I think I'm gonna, I always like the pickling cucumbers because they grow faster. Look here, got some I'm gonna harvest this morning, but they I'm gonna go ahead and try a different kind, even though I have tried them before, because they take a little longer to produce the cucumber. I'm gonna change it out. I got a lot of the pickling cucumbers so far. Or I may just mix it in, mix some more pickling and some more of the let's see which kind I'm gonna use. It's called the bush cucumbers. Try them. But the main thing I wanted to do was get out here this morning to catch the opening of these flowers on my squash and zucchini, so I can try to hand pollinate some of these squash that they're not getting any bees coming over here to help them to pollinate them. Okay, so let me see what I can do. See a lot of the male. Try to see if I can get some more squash out of here before I have to pull this up and start over. Look how beautiful you are. Okay, let me get in here and get some of your pollen. Let me go over here and rub it on. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, look at you. Look at that female squash right there. Look at you. Okay, I'm gonna rub this on you. You open up and get that. Okay, let me see if I can get me a squash out of you. I'm rubbing it all on your top there. I see another one right here. Come on, coming back to get some more your pollen. You open up beautiful flowers. I see it. I'm gonna just rub it on top of all of y'all, even though y'all not open yet. But I'm gonna rub it on the top and hope that something happen. Okay. Let's see. Any more females out there? See a lot of male flowers. Look how beautiful that flower is. Just see the pollen inside of it. Oh, look, I see another one now. Let me see. Let me get some more of your pollen out of you. Let me see this one down here. I'm just rubbing on top of you. See if I can get me another zucchini from you. Okay, I need to clean this bed out too. I'm gonna plant some more, sow some more squash and zucchini seeds over in here, and clean this area out here. Look at all those cucumbers still growing over there. Ooh, I see a big one over here. Okay, my first time hand pollinating my squash and zucchini. Hope it works. Okay, let me look at you one more time. Oh, you look beautiful. Yes, you do. There's some more. Look at that, some more cucumbers growing. At the harvest here. Got two right here. Okay. Got some blue ones over there. Get all of y'all out. Look at you. You hanging in there. Okay. Oh, look at you. I didn't see you. Okay. Thank you, cucumbers. Okay. Let me get busy cleaning out this bed. And sowing some more beans, the green beans and the yellow wax beans, and some more cucumbers over here. And I'm gonna add some more squash and zucchini in this area. As I started cleaning out this bed, I found another cucumber. Look at you. Okay, cucumber. Harvest you. Look at you. Okay, go over here with your brothers and sisters this morning. Okay, I have both sides of this raised bed cleaned out and ready to sow me some more, another round of seeds in them. I'm going to plant me some more of the yellow wax beans, some more of the green beans, and I'm going to add some bush cucumbers along this side and add some more American pickling cucumbers along this way. And then I'm going to go over here and add me some more squash and some more zucchini in this area, and hope that I still can get me another round of squash and zucchini from these ones that still remain in here before I have to pull them up. I hope my little hand pollinating this morning helped to make some more of them grow. Okay, squash, zucchini, do your thing. Let me get over here and sow me some more seeds in this bed. Okay, I have sowed all the next round of green beans and yellow wax beans and cucumbers, and also squash and zucchini in these areas. All we got to do is just wait for another round to sprout up and grow. Hopefully all of them will germinate again and give us a full harvest of beans and cucumbers, squash and zucchini again.